Just a quick demonstration to demonstrate using Volta to manage node versions and dependencies and etc. So I have node 22.15.0. If I tell Volta to install node LTS, that is the LTS version. So I'm going to check my version of NPM 11.2.0. If I install a different version of NPM, let's see what's available up there. So the 11.3 is what I have, or 11.2. And I'm going to install 11.3. So you can see Volta installed that and set that as my default. Just verifying. If I install a global dependency, here I'm installing the Angular CLI. I'm going to use that, so I installed the latest version, which is 19 something at the time of this recording. I'm going to use it to create a new Angular project. Yep, I'm using Angular CLI 19.2.10. If I go into the front end project, I've already installed dependencies. Take a look at the package JSON. It's kind of the raw one from the Angular CLI, but I can use the Volta pinned command. So if I list out, you can see what versions I'm using of Node and NPM. If I use the Volta pin command for both Node and NPM, and then look at that package JSON file again. If I scroll down a bit, you'll see it added Volta, Node, and NPM to the package JSON. So I'm going to go create another project app2. I'm not going to install Angular. I'm just going to do an npm init to get a package JSON. And let's say I wanted to use a different version of Node here. So let's see what's available. Yeah, 20. So I'll install that. .1. And I'll install an earlier version of NPM. So maybe, I think there's an 8 version in here somewhere. There it is. And then I'm going to pin both of those. So I still have ng installed globally, which is 19.2. But if I install an earlier version, maybe Angular CLI for Angular 18 here. And I look at the version I'm currently using. It is Angular 18.19.4 using Node 20 and NPM 8. So if I go to the other application directory again, the first one I created, I have to go into that front end folder. I don't have to do anything at all since I pinned it. You'll notice I'm automatically back on Node 22.15, the right version of NPM, and the Angular CLI. And then because I pinned those, if I go back to the second app directory, once again, I don't have to change anything, do anything, because I've pinned those. I'm back on node 20, NPM 8, and NG 18.